Hello, this is Brian Richards, and I will be presenting a brief overview of our FAQ and LibAnswers page. To access our FAQs and LibAnswers, please navigate to our Gateway search page at library.egcc.edu. Once you have arrived at our Gateway search page, the link to our FAQ and LibAnswers will be on the right side under Quick Links. Once you have arrived on our FAQ page, you will notice that the page is organized to include our contact information, a search box, and the ability to browse through a list of FAQs. The default list is set to our most popular FAQs. These are the questions that are most frequently asked and are ranked by the number of views they receive. The next tab features a list of newly added or recently updated FAQs. These FAQs are organized by the date of creation or the last time they were updated. The last tab is a list of featured FAQs. These FAQs are manually added to this list by the library staff. The library staff adds these FAQs when we think it may be helpful to call attention to this information. In addition to the three lists I just mentioned, users can also browse FAQs by topic. To do this, click on the Topics link in the upper right corner of the page. This list will show the available topics and the numbers of FAQs associated with the topic. In this case, we see Gateway Search has 3 FAQs associated with it, and if we select Gateway Search, it will list the related FAQs. Users may also search for the answer they need by typing in their question into the search box. As you type your question, related questions will appear. If there is a direct match to your question, it will appear in bold at the top of the list. We see in our example, How do I access Nexus Uni, that a direct match exists. Select the bolded question to be taken to the answer text. Each FAQ answer page consists of the question and answer, topical keywords, the date it was last updated, and the name of the original author who answered the questions. Our FAQs also allowed users to submit feedback regarding the information through a thumbs up or down feature or by leaving us a public comment. If your search does not yield any direct matches, the system will attempt to show you what it considers to be related information by matching keywords from your search terms to our available knowledge base answers. However, there are times when this information is not relevant to your question. In these cases, we ask you to submit your question to us through the form that is available on the right-hand side of the page. Depending on how you arrive at this form, some of the details may be pre-populated into the form. When completing the form, please enter as much information as possible, including your question, additional details if necessary, and your contact information, such as your email, name, and whether you're a student or faculty member, and which campus you use, for example, our online program, Steubenville, or our Youngstown campus. Once you have submitted your question, you'll receive an on-screen notification, and our library staff will contact you as soon as possible. Lastly, our contact information and online chat is available on every page within our FAQ system. If you are unable to find the information you need or get stuck, please feel free to contact us via our online chat. The chat module is easy to use and can be initiated by clicking on the green box on the right side of the screen. Once the chat box opens, enter your name, contact, role, campus, and finally your question. Once you click the blue Start Chat button, one of the library staff will assist you. Sometimes our chat volume is such that we can't answer your chat right away. In these cases, the system will prompt you to submit your question. Please know that if you do this, we will get back to you as soon as we can. You can also wait online until we have an opportunity to answer your chat. However, we encourage you to submit your question when the system prompts you. Thank you for watching this tutorial of our FAQ and LibAnswers system. If you have any questions, please visit us online at egcc.edu/library or email us at libhelp@egcc.edu. Thank you.